All right, how do we test for functions? Well, first off, let's do this right here. We can do that algebraically. This one is not a function because look at this here. 2 goes to 11 and 2 goes to 10. Notice the x is repeated, so it is not a function. If the x's repeat or the input repeats, it is not a function. So that one's not a function. All right? You can do it also graphically by what we call the vertical line test. If I were to draw vertical lines up and down, notice, are there any points where the lines hit it twice? No, so it is a function. That would pass the vertical line test. And that's, you draw vertical lines up and down, and if it goes through your graph twice, it is not a function. Okay? So how we do it algebraically? We're going to do this here. Basically, we solve for, determine whether y is a function of x, we solve for y. And so what we have here is this. If you take this y here on this first one, and you minus x squared from each side, you get y equals 1 minus x squared. So that for that one, if you were to graph that in the calculator, you would see you get past the vertical line test. Also, you're able to get the y by itself. It is not a function. I mean, it is a function. Sorry, that one is a function. It is a function. Now this one here, I would add an x to each side, and then I would have to square root it. But because I square rooted it, I have positive answers and negative answers, indicating there are two answers that make this one correct. So therefore, that one is not a function. You can get two possible answers. It is not a function.